15 high-income skills making young millionaires in 2025. The future of wealth generation doesn't look like Wall Street or the factories of the industrial age. Today, young people across the world are using technology, creativity, and digital tools to build wealth faster than ever before. They're not waiting for promotions, degrees, or retirement. They're taking advantage of massive global shifts to create income on their own terms. But let's be clear, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes real work, discipline, and a commitment to mastering your craft. If you're willing to put in the effort, these skills can transform your life. In this video, we're breaking down the top 15 high-income skills that are making young millionaires in 2025. Welcome to Doxa Finance, where we inspire and empower the next generation of millionaires. Let's dive in. Number 1, AI prompt engineering. Prompt engineers craft the instructions that tell AI exactly what to do. In 2025, this is one of the fastest growing skills, powering everything from customer support bots to creative tools that write, design, and analyze at scale. Those who can speak the language of AI are earning top dollar freelancing, consulting, or building products that run 24/7 without employees. Number 2, copywriting. Words are still one of the most powerful tools in business. Great copywriters can turn attention into action and action into profit. They write emails that convert, ads that go viral, and landing pages that close deals. In the digital world, businesses don't just need great products, they need persuasive words. Top copywriters are charging thousands per project or earning recurring revenue on performance deals. Number 3, content creation. Attention is the new currency, and creators are cashing in. Whether it's YouTube videos, short-form TikToks, podcasts, or newsletters, creators are building audiences that brands want access to. Many young millionaires are monetizing through multiple income streams: sponsorships, merch, paid communities, coaching, and digital products. In 2025, if you can create consistent, valuable content, you control your own media empire. Number 4, digital marketing. The internet is crowded, but marketers know how to cut through the noise. They run Facebook and Google ads that generate millions. They use SEO to dominate search results and email funnels to keep customers coming back. Digital marketing combines creativity, analytics, and psychology. And those who master it are earning big from consulting, freelancing, and growing their own brands. Number 5, sales and high-ticket closing. Selling is the backbone of every business. If you can close deals, especially for high-ticket offers, your income potential is unlimited. Closers are making $10K to $50K a month just by taking Zoom calls and converting warm leads into clients. This isn't pushy sales, it's about solving problems and building trust. And it's a skill anyone can learn with practice and persistence. Number 6, software and app development. Behind every app, website, and AI tool is a developer. Software development remains one of the highest paying skills on the planet. Coders who understand product design and user needs are launching their own SaaS companies or working remotely with global clients. And with low-code and no-code platforms, even non-tech people can now build and monetize powerful digital tools. Number 7, automation and workflow engineering. Repetitive tasks waste time, and time is money. Automation specialists create systems that handle routine work using platforms like Zapier, Notion, Airtable, and AI. This skill is in high demand with solopreneurs, startups, and even large businesses that want to scale without hiring. If you can save someone 10 hours a week, they'll happily pay you for it. Number 8, UX UI design. Beautiful doesn't always mean useful, and that's where UX UI designers shine. They create websites and apps that are not only visually stunning, but easy and intuitive to use. This skill blends psychology, art, and tech, and in a world that judges everything by first impressions, it's crucial. Top designers are building six-figure freelance careers or working with tech companies, shaping the future of how we interact online. Number 9, personal branding. In 2025, people trust people more than logos. Those who build a strong personal brand are becoming the face of their niche. Through content, authenticity, and consistent messaging, they're creating loyal followings that open doors to partnerships, deals, and passive income. Your story, your values, and your voice are assets that no one else can copy. Number 10, E-commerce and product launching. From physical products to digital courses, e-commerce allows anyone to become a business owner from home. Platforms like Shopify, Amazon, and Gumroad make it easy to launch. But success still depends on branding, targeting, and product market fit. Young entrepreneurs are scaling product-based businesses to 6 and 7 figures by leveraging influencers, ads, and global shipping tools. Number 11, financial literacy and investing. Making money is step 1. Growing and keeping it is step 2. Those who understand investing in stocks, crypto, real estate, or private equity are creating long-term wealth. Many young millionaires started with a cash flow skill and used that to build portfolios that now work for them. Financial literacy is no longer optional. It's the foundation of freedom. Number 12, video editing and production. The demand for video content is exploding, and behind every viral clip is a great editor. Video editors are helping influencers, brands, and course creators turn raw footage into polished, engaging media. Whether you specialize in short-form reels or full YouTube documentaries, this skill pays well and is always in demand. Number 13, community building and moderation. It's not enough to have followers. You need a tribe. Community builders create spaces where people connect, learn, and buy. They run thriving Discords, paid Facebook groups, and learning platforms where engagement equals loyalty equals income. Strong communities lead to higher lifetime customer value and stronger brand equity. Number 14, coaching and consulting. If you've overcome a challenge or mastered a system, someone is willing to pay you to show them how. Coaching is exploding in niches like business, fitness, relationships, productivity, and personal growth. Many coaches combine online courses, live sessions, and digital products to scale their income without burning out. Trust and transformation are the name of the game. Number 15, AI integration and business strategy. AI is everywhere, but most businesses don't know how to use it effectively. Strategists who can design and integrate AI workflows into marketing, sales, operations, and customer support are unlocking huge value for companies. They're saving time, increasing profits, and positioning themselves as leaders in the future of business. This is where consulting meets tech, and the payouts are big. You don't need all 15 of these skills, just one, the right one. Master it, stay consistent, and the income will follow. This is not magic, it's momentum. In 2025, money follows skill, not degrees, not titles, not luck. So choose a skill, start today, and let your discipline do the talking. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell. Because here at Doxa Finance, we're building a community of the next millionaires. We'll help you build wealth one smart step at a time. See you in the next video.